Today we harvested all of the Tromboncino squash, and this variety is such a great variety. We had 3 plants in the garden, and this is about a fourth of what we harvested. These are the ones that are fully mature and brown and are ready to store through the winter months. You can also eat the Tromboncino when it's green and fresh in the summer and eat it more like a zucchini. But we're gonna go ahead and store these, and this is such a fun squash.
$45, 76 pounds.
All right, I'm gonna say 61 and it's 400 pounds.
Oh my goodness.
I think there's about 43 squash, which would be about 400 pounds.
Okay. Take your guess.
I think 70 and then like 350 pounds.
So I think there are 57 in here. I'm gonna say 380 pounds.
380, okay.
So
I think that there are 58 squash, and I think it's gonna weigh about 285 pounds.
My guess is that there is at least 37 Tromboncino in the garden, and weight, ooh, that's hard. There's so much. I'm gonna guess 199 pounds. I don't know. So with those 3 plants, we actually had 71 squash and 515 pounds of Tromboncino. So what a great way to feed your animals throughout the winter, which many people feed these to their hogs in the winter months and their livestock. Imagine having this on your table. What a great conversation starter.